Now, a quick little freebie I can give you is that English is a Germanic language and Spanish is a Latin language. However, English has a lot of Latin roots. And so you can actually get a lot of words from English to Spanish. You can sort of transfer them. And so these are called cognates. But the first one I like to go through is that words that end in ation in English will become acción in Spanish. And so a word like presentation will become presentación, right? The only difference there is Spanish vowels. And so presentación. And so this works for all of them. If you want to say narration, it's narración. If you want to say contemplation, it's contemplación. If you want to say cancellation, it's cancelación, etc. Now, if you want to make these into verbs, all you do is you take off the acción and you put ar. And so to present would be presentar, presentar. To cancel will be cancelar. And so these obviously fall into the ar group because they end in ar, okay? Ar verbs, okay, another example of an ar verb is hablar, for example, okay? But if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And you'll find it in the first link in the description.